So I got a 2003 G35 Infiniti. This is Madmikescustom. I'm going to go ahead and make a small video. I got hired to do the serpentine belts. As you can see, I replaced the main one. There's going to be two. See if I can get some part numbers in there for you. Okay, that's the main belt. That's the rear belt. You're gonna have one to the power. To confirm, the AC compressor and main crank have their own belt, and the water pump, power steering, and alternator have their own belt. But both are replaced. How you get to them, how you loosen them. So you really don't have to pull anything off other than this. A lot of videos say pull off the air filters. If you want to do more work, you can. I pull off this. Okay. I use the 12mm to loosen up the actual housing bolts. And to confirm on the pulley bolts, I used a 14mm. So it's two 14s to loosen the pulleys. When you loosen the pulleys, it's going to be that pulley right there in the middle, that one, and that one. You loosen them up, two 14s, and then I'll show you how to actually take the tension off. So I have another light, Milwaukee, just so y'all know, my Milwaukee brand light. I'm eventually going to be sponsored by these guys because I just love their tools. But, yeah. So there's the pulley I was telling you on top for the alternator and water pump belt. And it's going to be right here. Get a hand in there. This bolt right here, it's a 12mm. You loosen that, and that's a 14 up there. So take the 14, loosen it, don't take it off. Drop the 12. And then you'll slide over here. It's the same concept. So, you get a good light. Okay, so that's going to be your 14. Okay. 14 belt or 14 bolt, as you can see, and then you see how it has a little drop piece, and that's another 12 right here, another 12. You just drop it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, and loosen those bolts up. I was able to change that belt, change that belt. You gotta do it from under the car. It's the only way to do it on this particular model. I know it seems like a pain in the butt, but you gotta do it. So, Infiniti G35. It's a 2003. It's a really nice car. It's my friend's car. It's a girl. So, you know, you gotta look out for the women when you can. Let me go ahead, get her turned on, so we can hear her all nice. It's a nice car. Make sure everything runs. Need a little suspension work. Always remember to check your control arms and ball joints. Everything's running nice and good. All the belts are good. That's a G35 Infiniti, baby. Madmikescustom. We do domestic and we do import. Go ahead and check me out. Madmikescustom is my email. madmikescustoms@gmail.com or facebook.com/madmikes_euro. MADMIKES Euro. I'll put a link in the link below. All right, have a good day.